Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Carr. This is an overview of how to make sure you're getting to the district curriculum. So once you're inside your learning, whether it be math, science, ELA, social studies, you're going to click on the directed website and follow the folders. So this week is week 5 when I'm making this video. And today is Monday. And then after you've read the directions here, because the video directions will tell you exactly what you're doing once you're inside the curriculum, whether you can wait or where to post stuff, if you're going to spread things out over several days. Sometimes it has some alternate directions, so you definitely want to make sure you check those out. But once you've done that, then you're going to come here, click on this button, and you're going to click the square with the arrow to pop it out. Click on the Coreville at-home learning, and then there's some extra stuff that if you have time you can look at and play around with later. Don't forget to check out your specials. They miss you guys. And we're week of April 13th through the 17th, and so yours should be this first one, I believe. Yes. This one is bilingual, and this one is the I need help and they give me more pages, which is going to tell you to go back into Schoology, which we've talked about in those directions. So pop that square and arrow out into a new tab. And then when it loads and you're trying to get to the curriculum, you're going to actually click on the word science, and this is going to pop up. See, when you put your cursor over, it doesn't look like you can click on it, but you do. You click on it, and then this pops up, and then you click on that. And then you'll scroll down for all the lessons. It has all 5 lessons on there at a time. Same thing with science. You would, again, it doesn't look like you can do anything with it. See, if I do it here, you can't. But if I do it here, that's what pops up. Okay? And then now you're in. And so now you make sure you're listening to those directions so you know what you're doing. And it has all 5 lessons. So you'll scroll down per day, depending on what day you're listening to this. All right, guys. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.